Whoa. Yeah, 很暗。There are people going here. 啊，大溪，没关系，没关系，我有这个。
他不是台湾人啊。我英文很烂嘞。
哦。哈？蛇？
对，你不要走去那边。
啊，蛇 ，OK here， OK， 这个我有这个说，
I always drop and always spill and always smile like Bachi.
Or they're helping too. Bye bye. Have this. Wow, it's really dark. Why is it not bright enough? Follow the light.
Yes, Jinny, this is the only way. No other way. Embrace the darkness.
Okay. Thank you for the dono. Dog. Barking dog. It's okay, dude. It's okay, doggy. Hi.
你要去大溪老街。
大溪好。
你这边会
Men's
有人
reaction
走
to booba.
男
Your
走。
reaction to massage. At times it has the same intensity. Different, but it can be an automatic, similar reaction.
Man's reaction to booba. Your reaction to massage. At times it has similar intensity. Different, but it can be automatic. Similar reaction. Ah. Kind of like massage. Thank you to sponsor for $5. This is Daxi? I mean, Daxi?
正常来讲是不会走到这边的，因为你看到这边不是有点陡吗？对啊，他在直播。
Not really sure what he said.
这边比较偏僻，所以正常来讲要去大溪老街不会走到这边。
不会走到这边。
对对。
他再走下去哦。
都没有灯啊什么的，所以
啊
我怕你
，dark
迷路
because it's dark, very dark.
It's dangerous.
啊，OK OK, thank you.
哪一国人？
韩国人，韩国人。네, 한국. 안녕하세요. 어우, 진짜 어둡네 여기. It's okay though. We're like 1 kilometer away, Chet. Thank you, 谢谢。
不会不会，可是等一下走到底下的时候会有很多车，你走路也不方便。
啊 ，OK。Helper. Now phone has really good light over here. But oh wow. It's like a mountain trail a little. Holy. Really dark. Yeah, this is the only way that Google told me to go. Other ways are like long detour or something.
你不该相信 Google Map。
啊，不相信 Google Map。
应该不要相信。
啊，不要相信。Oh, he said don't believe in Google Map. Go, Jinny, thank you for 18,001. Oh, nice. Oh, wow.
你现在是要去大溪老街吗？
哈？
大溪老街还是？
哦，老街，大溪
现在吗？
现在也要去。
可是现在这时间应该也没什么了呀。
啊，没关系，没关系。
没关系吗？
What is this? What is this music? You think this will scare me? Well, it doesn't because I'm with local.
正常来讲，应该是从那个地方下来的。
OK。
对对对，那如果你要往大溪的话，你这边要自己走了，不然就是可能看有没有人愿意给你搭车之类的。
OK
因为还有一段距离。
好。
我还是带你再走一趟好。
Thank you, Linda. 很好人。He's so nice. Helping me all the way almost to the safe point. Hello, Ba. Thank you for 2 gifts. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. Thank you, thank you. Yeah.
He said people usually won't take this path to Old Street, cause it's stuck and steep, and has snakes.
Has snakes? Really? 帮我很多。There's a road. La, 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 la. Okay. I guess if we keep going this way, we'll be arriving. 500 more meters to go until 20. We are actually arriving, and 295 kilometers have we reached total? 295.
Jinny is the best.
Thank you. 294. 많이 더 걸었다. 더 going for 300. No, tomorrow early in the stream we'll hit 300. Not today, because I plan to stream tomorrow. Yeah, because we'll have to walk 5 more kilometers in order to hit 300. Oh. Daxi Bridge is, yeah, almost there. We're crossing this bridge. And then we'll arriving Daxi Old Street like right now. Holy shit. I wonder if they have road. I'm pretty sure they do. Something hit my hair. Oh! Well, is there a bug on my hair? Oh, never mind. Well, a little part of my hair is stuck. So I go this way? Ah, that way. Okay. Okay, here. Ah, 我可以去Daxi Bridge. 我可以去Daxi Bridge. 比较what is it? 安全. Daxi Bridge. Here.
大溪桥.
Over there. I think going to Daxi Bridge is probably more safe because it doesn't look like it has a sidewalk over here, right? Yeah. So we could do that, I think. Okay, yeah, let's do that. It's only like a 10-minute walk. Okay, I'll just do that. 啊，我要去
大溪老街啊。
Yeah, I can go to 大溪桥。
大溪桥。大溪桥。
Oh, yeah.
大溪桥。新山桥吧。
I think it's funny that you guys immediately think if I say 10 minutes, you guys immediately think it's 20 minutes. Hello. Sure, of course. Thank you, 谢谢 Thank you. Yeah, I can go to 大溪桥，没关系，我要去大溪桥。
有点远啊。
哦，对对。
我们就顺着这条路上。
Thank you, bye bye. Bye bye, thank you. It's okay.
他想要去大溪老街，就是我原本想说这条路也很明显，所以我就开始。
Yeah, this way is good. He says Daxi Bridge is what? Bit far? No, it's not far. It's like 1 kilometer. We good. Um.
我也是朋友告诉我说是有内行。
Yeah, 大溪桥. Okay, I'm gonna go to 大溪桥.
对嘛，他这样子走。
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the help. 谢谢. Oh yeah, of course. Thank you. Bye bye. 谢谢. Taiwanese people are so helpful. So many nice Taiwanese people. Taiwan 很多很好人. Very nice. Okay, so we got help. So we